right, so now how do we make a playlist, right? So a playlist is a collection of videos that all have the same content theme. Meaning the playlist that I have, right? I have Gmail, Google Meet, Google Docs, right? And it's good to have a playlist because when people go to your channel, it looks organized, right? And they could say, okay, I want to see what all they got on Gmail or Google Meet, whatever, right? So how do you make a playlist? First things first, you go to your channel, then you click Customize Channel. And then on the left-hand side, this goes faster, you hit Playlists, okay? And then I already have a bunch, but if you want to add a different one, you just go up here and click New Playlist, add a title, right? Like, I'm just gonna name it Test. Check the visibility, right? And then you hit Create. Now, once you create that playlist, now you have to actually put videos into that playlist, okay? So the way you put videos into that playlist is you go to your content right here on the left-hand side, and you scroll through your videos, right? And this is why I suggest after you make a video, put it right into a playlist. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do this with, it's tedious if you do it with a lot of videos at one time and you don't do it right when you make the video, right? So you just hover over it, right? Click on the box, and up here it says add to playlist. You could add it to multiple ones, right? So if I want to add it to test, right, I could just hit it test right there, right? And then I just hit save, okay? Another thing you can do, right, is if you want to, you could just go to your content, click on arrange your videos, right? You could do more than one at a time, which is good, okay? And you click add to playlist, and you could actually create a new playlist right from there. All right, so there's two ways you can create a playlist. Okay, now that I had added my playlist to my videos, if I go back to playlists and I click on test, right, notice I have a video here. Okay, and what you could do from here is you could rename it, you could move it up or down, or basically, any way you want. If I had another one here, I could move it around. Okay, and let me just do that real quick. I just go right here, here. We should add another video. Let's go to this one. Add to playlist. I'm gonna add it to test. Save. Okay. Now if I go back to playlists, all right, and I click on this one, I see now that I have two, and I can move them up or down, right? So if you have a whole long list and you want to keep it current on your channel, right, then you don't want the first one you ever made to be right here. You want the newest one, right? If it's an updated thing. If it's not, it really doesn't matter. All right, so that's how you make a playlist, okay? Playlist is a collection of videos.